What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another hair tutorial featuring none other than Zala Hair Extensions. Today we're going to be creating this butterfly clip twist 90s hair look featuring Zala's clip-in extensions. But before you run to Zala's site, don't forget to use code Angela10 for some money off. Without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So this is my naturally short hair in all of its glory, and as cute as it is, we're definitely going to be adding some extensions. But first, we're going to create the twist in the front. So I'm starting off by sectioning out my hair ear to ear. I'm now tying back the hair that I won't be using for my twist just to make sure everything stays as neat as possible. Next, I'm sectioning off my first twist. Now you could section off your hair straight back or on a diagonal. I opted for a diagonal this time, but it is completely up to you. I'm using clips to hold back the hair that I won't be twisting, just to, again, keep everything nice and neat. Next, I am smothering the piece of hair that I'm about to twist in loads of gel to make sure that I don't have any flyaways and that it stays all day. Now to create each twist, I'm starting at the front of my head and twisting in small sections, adding more hair as I move back. I'm now securing the twist with a bobby pin or two. It's completely up to you. Ooh, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. You could also secure the twist with rubber bands if you'd like, but I just prefer bobby pins. Wow, completely forgot what they were called for a second. And now I'm just repeating that entire process for the rest of the twists. Super easy. Now it's time for my absolute favorite part, which is adding my Zala extensions. I will include a direct link, my shade, my length, everything you need to know down in the description. I can't even say it. How long have I been a YouTuber? Description box down below for your convenience. But I will tell you right now that I'm using Zala's Quad Wefted extensions, which are super thick. So I will definitely not be using the entire pack in my head today, but you can do whatever floats your boat, honey. This look is completely customizable. And that's it. We are ready to give ourselves some beach waves. Now, if we were in the 90s, we would probably be using a crimper, but I'm not gonna go out and buy a crimper just for this. I kind of wanted to add a modern twist to this 90s look, so I'm just using a waver and I'm waving my entire head. Oh, she is giving mermaid. I love this hair look so much so far, but we need to fix that hair dye I have on my forehead because that is not cute. So let's cover that up with some baby hairs, please. Now for the finishing touch, we're just adding some butterfly clips. Of course, these are optional, but these are so trendy right now and cute. I just had to. And that's it. That's the final look. But you know, I gotta change out of this robe. I gotta complete the look, so please hold. There we go. How cute is this little butterfly tube top? I thought it fit the theme perfectly. I'm just so obsessed with this look. I know I say this about every Zala hair extension look, but I just feel like Zala hair extensions just elevate every look and every trend. I just love Zala so much. I will never be using another hair extension brand ever again. Mark my words. And that's it. This is the full completed look. So easy, so trendy, and perfect for the summer. Thank you again, Zala, for sponsoring this video. And don't forget to use code Angela10 at checkout. I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.